The student visa hearing is officially dead. In my last video, I shared the single biggest seismic shift in student visa law I've seen in the last decade. The removal of mandatory oral hearings in the tribunal for student visas. Today, I'm taking it one step further to show you exactly what I predict is coming next. Now, I don't say this lightly. I've been a lawyer for more than 3 decades, and for the past 26 years, I've been watching exactly what's been happening in the immigration space for students as they progress towards PR. I've seen the cycles and I've seen the traps. Right now, there are tens of thousands of appeals sitting at the tribunal. Most are the post-pandemic surge, people who jumped on any visa they could just to stay. Those cases are now hitting the desk of the new Administrative Review Tribunal. And under this new legislation, your appeal is likely to fail dismally after your written submission is examined by a faceless tribunal member who you will never meet and who will never hear your voice. If the student visa is a dead end, you might think the solution is simple. Just move to a subclass 482 skills and demand visa under the employer-sponsored program. But I'm seeing a massive wall being built around that for some time now. For a student to move to a 482 in 2026, the difficulty is now at least 5-fold. First is the advertising trap. You face a 1-month advertising lag. The second problem is the SAF donation. Employers must make a donation to the Skilling Australia Fund. This is a cost that they cannot legally recover from employees, and many employers simply won't pay that extra bill. Another problem, the occupation trap. If you aren't on the specific list for this type of visa, then there is no pathway under the 482 program. The flexibility illusion. While the new program for 482s claims to be flexible, the department is scrutinising genuine need more than ever. The experience gap. You now need at least 12 months of relevant experience. You can no longer jump straight from a student visa to a 482 skills in demand visa. Without that year of solid work, the door is locked. Okay, so before I reveal the next big risk, I have a small favour to ask. I need you guys to comment below, whether it's just a thank you or a hello. I need your comments to help and encourage me to keep doing these videos. My goal is simple, to help you understand Australian immigration law better. And your engagement with me on this platform makes that possible. So please let me know you're watching. Because the 482 visa is so difficult, everyone has played a different card. I've looked at the latest reports from the tribunal, and I've looked over the last weekend on the department's current caseload. After student visas, the biggest problem area is a cohort that has seen an explosion since the pandemic. This is where every Tom, Dick, and Harry, where Isabella, Matteo, Valentina, and Carlos, where Victor, Novak, Elena, and Luca, where Virat, Sho, Shakib, Priyanka, and Aruna, where Siti, Bongbong, and Prayut, where Santiago, Diego, Sofia, and Mikhail have all gone. Everyone is playing this card. Jasmine, Sonia, Sapna, Malini, Shantini, Sunaya, Sumitra, Atul, and Rajesh. Why? Because it's the visa not affected by the TISMIT. You don't have to be paid the minimum 76,515 plus super. There's no advertising, there's no SAF donation, and there's no 12 months experience needed. So what visa is that? Of course, it's the training visa, the 407 training visa. This explosion in 407 training visa applications in recent years is a time bomb just ticking away. Most haven't been decided yet, and pretty soon the department's going to refuse them, a lot of them. My prediction, I think the ART will look at prescribing the 407 as the next cohort where the tribunal can make decisions without any oral hearing. And it will go to Home Affairs and get this cohort added to the list of prescribed visas. If you've been waiting around for 2 years, the length of a 407, and you haven't been training, the decision maker is going to say, sorry mate, you've had your time, you aren't a genuine candidate. They will refuse you on the papers and you'll never get to speak. Don't let a faceless member decide your future. I'm Nilesh Nanda, and click on my link in the bio below. Book in a session with me if you'd like to get a strategy or pivot your strategy before the tribunal closes your file for good.